Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Altcoin Buzz Trading, the only channel where I won't try to hype you up and force you to lose money. So welcome. Yeah, this is not a great market right now. I'm not going to lie to you and tell you there's great trades on here. There is not, and there's a saying in the market for markets like this: it's better not to make money than to lose money. What it means is that when the market is not rolling in your favor, it's better to not even attempt to trade. And we're sitting in one of those markets right now. So I'll be honest with you. I don't want you to do anything. I want you to do nothing. I want your money to be safe until there's better days ahead. But right now, there's not really better days ahead. BTC is just stagnant. Even some of the altcoins we were looking at the past couple of days just haven't come to fruition. I'll show you those in a little bit. But BTC right now is stagnant under the 43,219. Tried it a couple of times, couldn't put it together. Even today, trying to rally and couldn't put a little rally together so far. Volume's very anemic. The sellers have a little bit of control, but the buyers have just been eroding away. They haven't been active. We need the buyers to be active again in order to buy. So you and me, we're what's called retail traders. Retail traders don't make the markets go up and down. All we do is follow the whales who make the market go up and down. Right now, the whales are asleep. So if you want to, have little splishes and little splashes around the whales, that's fine. But what you're going to do is chop up your capital. Basically use up your energy, use up your reserves, and you're not going to be doing any good for your account. So the best thing for you to do, and I'm telling you, is just to wait. If you have some intraday strategy that you use that's working, that's great. That's fine. But if you're swing trading, you're trying to take these trades, that go from 37 here up to 44. You're trying to go for these trades right here, which is pretty much what we try to do. Try to go for these large rallies. They're actually fewer and farther between than you think. They don't happen all the time. As a matter of fact, if I were to go ahead and just draw a box around the rallies in BTC, and I'll be pretty liberal with it actually. I won't even just pick the straight vertical times. So just on my chart right here, which I know my boxes aren't the easiest to see. Hold on a second. Let me move my chart a little bit. We'll just take this time frame right here, add another box here. So if you look at these boxes, you've got a nice up move right here. You've got a nice up move here, a nice up move here, and a nice up move here. The rest of the time outside of these boxes is generally markets you don't want to be involved with. Okay, so, and if I take these boxes and I'm going to stack them up time-wise, I should be able to grab them at some point here. So you can see the time window. I'm not going to move the window. I'm going to try not to move the window. I'm just going to stack them up next to each other. This is the amount of time you are going to be in an uptrend. And the rest of this time, you are not. So, the more you wait in the markets, the safer your capital is, and the more chances you have to put that capital to use during the good times. And so as you can see, just during this uptrend here, which goes from October last year up until, well, a little bit into the future, not like a week into the future. So this encompasses what, like, oh geez, this is quite a long time. This is over a year. So this is over a year. This is a year and 4 months. Yes, I do my videos on the fly. A year and 4 months, you only encompass about 5 months of bullish trading. So we are not in one of those bullish environments right now. It's just the way that it is. It's just what it is. And so this is not a situation where you want to be putting big money to work. I could have a big clickbaity title up here, and I'm pretty sure that the guys at Altcoin Buzz would like me to do that, but I don't have anything for you. You know what I mean? It's like trying to ask a chef to make something and you give him flour. What am I doing with flour? That's all I got. I just got flour. Not much to do here. So there's not much to do here. Let's take a look at some of these altcoins we've been looking at. Injective rolled over. Get my 2-hour chart back in here. Injective rolled over out of that tight channel we were looking at yesterday. Solana failed to 101.70, rolling over, testing recent lows. Just choppy action. Looking like we're still forming the bottom of bases. So, ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing to do. I hate to be the bearer of bad news. I'm sorry I'm not very entertaining for you today, but I'd rather save you money than be entertaining and cost you money. And I hope that at least brings you back every day looking for my verdict for my 4 or 5 minute videos. How long is this one? 5 minutes exactly. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll see you tomorrow on Altcoin Buzz Trading.